I'm gonna guess that if you are watching this video, you are curious about the Isagenix collagen and you're wondering, does it really work? Well, that's what I want to share with you today is my experience since using it. First of all, though, let me introduce myself. I am Rachael Clark. Thank you so much for being here. So I began using the Isagenix collagen back in February of 2021. Now, we all have different reasons for using collagen. My main reason was because I am getting older. I just turned 49 and I want to do all I can to age gracefully. And what I have learned about collagen is that we start losing collagen in our 20s and then it just progresses as we get older. So when we are losing collagen, it means that we don't have the plumpness in our skin. We notice more fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I had been using another collagen for about 4 to 5 months before I started with the Isagenix collagen, and I was a little disappointed because I really wasn't noticing any changes, and I figured after that amount of time that I would start noticing some changes. So when I began with the Isagenix collagen, I made sure I took my before pictures, my during pictures, because I really wanted to track if this was going to benefit me like I was hoping that it would. Now, I will say that once I started it, within the first couple of weeks, I noticed some slight changes in my skin. My skin felt softer. I have really bad brown spots on my face, and I was noticing that those were starting to fade a little bit. Now, I highly recommend that you definitely take the pictures, because if I was just trying to judge by looking at myself in the mirror, I would have been questioning. I would have been like, no, I don't think so. It's probably in my head. But by taking the pictures, I was able to compare my before pictures and my during pictures to see the progress that I was making. Now, I take this every single day. And what I love about the Isagenix collagen is that they go to great lengths to make sure that they have put the absolute best product on the market. They had over 20 scientists that was researching this for over 10 years to make sure that they were doing a top of the line product. And they also went to great lengths to make sure that they were getting the best collagen that is closest to our skin. And that is a Marine 1 type collagen. Marine 1 is best for skin, hair, and nails. And they resource this from the waters in Scandinavia. They also go to great lengths to make sure that the oxygen does not get inside these bottles. So they seal these bottles in 0.15 seconds to make sure that the oxygen is not getting in there. They're also a dark brown, so to keep sunlight out of the bottles. And these bottles, you can recycle them. So those are just some benefits with this. Now, a lot of people wonder, well, it's a marine collagen. Does it have a fishy taste? No, it actually tastes, for me, I think it tastes like grape juice. I love taking this every single morning. I keep it in the refrigerator because that's it. I just think it tastes best cold. I shake it up and I do 1 bottle per day. Now, I have people ask, can I take more? Yes. There are people, especially in the beginning, that will take 2 bottles a day because they want to speed up their results. But for me, I've been taking it, my husband's been taking it, so we just do 1 bottle per day. And what I have noticed over time is that my results just continue to get better. My skin feels so much smoother. The brown spots are fading. My fine lines and wrinkles are softening. So I know as I am progressing in age that I'm going to be aging gracefully, which I am really excited about. So I will drop some links down below if you are interested in getting started. I will drop also a link to a lookbook. So that way you can see some before and after photos videos of different people. And then, like I said, I'm also going to drop links if you would like to get started on this journey. And if you are a new customer, then the shipping is going to be free on your first order. And I'm also going to drop down my information so you can reach out to me directly, because if you get started on this journey, I want to be with you every single step of the way. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please reach out to me with any questions.